Hi, Teachers Next Door. This is Joanna from Education Wonders. Welcome to my website. Just wanted to let you know that I have just created and dropped a new product into my shop. So when you arrive here at educationwonders.blog, go ahead and navigate over to the shop tab. Click on that and you will enter the shop and you will find all of my products that I have created for educationwonders.blog. All of these products are also found on Teachers Pay Teachers. However, when you shop through educationwonders.blog, you will receive a discount, so the price will be a little less, and so just a better overall deal. So Christmas writing activity, a magical holiday story. This is my newest one. Go ahead and click on that one and it will bring you over to the full description of the product. Christmas writing activity, a magical writing story, specifically for grades 3 through 5. It's selling for $3. On Teachers Pay Teachers, it's $3.50. So this is just the better deal, save you 50 cents. So I've got everything on here. You can go through and you can see the thumbnails. So this would be like your cover sheet. You're going to have a teacher's page, which kind of gives you a description of how you can use this. You've got your activity overview, your learning objectives, your materials needed. There's some other things on there too, but this is part of my thumbnail, so this is what I'm going to be showing you. Here is your story planning guide for your students. So your students will follow these questions in order to create their writing piece. So focusing on story elements such as setting, characters, problem, and solution. They're also going to have some writing sheets to use. Of course, this is optional if you want to use it, or they could just use their regular notebook paper, but you do have some writing sheets, and the first one will have a little title line so students can put their title right there. So I created this because, number one, that was always a fun lesson for me when I was in the classroom. But this is great for when you're teaching story element lessons, if that's where you're at right now in your on your pacing calendar. You could also use it for writing centers, journal writing, early finishers, homework, substitute plans. This is really great for when you're going to have a substitute now as the holidays start rolling through. It's a great way to keep the kids engaged while the substitute is there with them. Holiday literacy block, narrative writing practice. And why do teachers love this? Because it's going to strengthen the narrative writing skills of their students. It helps their students practice organizing story elements. It builds confidence, or it builds their confidence, student confidence as writers, and it creates a festive story that they'll be proud of. You can use this also once it's all written. You can have them sharing out loud. You can have them sharing in group. You can have them sharing in pairs. You could put their stories up on a bulletin board, on a holiday bulletin board, so it can be shared with others throughout the school or throughout the campus or the hallway. So lots of fun, cute ways to use this wonderful writing piece. Let me get back to my title page. Yeah, lots of great ways to use this with your students. So again, grab it here at educationwonders.blog and keep a lookout because I've got a lot more coming out. I want to fill your bucket so that way you have something to grab and go, print and go, and make it easy. Thank you, teachers. I'll see you next door. Bye-bye.